this problem, you have to find the Thevenin equivalent resistance by using Y to delta conversion. In the previous video lesson, I showed you the same problem how to do with the delta to Y conversion. So now we will proceed this problem with only Y to delta conversion. But when you are getting a problem to solve, it's according to your convenience. Then nothing is specified in the question whether to Y to delta or delta to Y. You can use any one according to your convenience and you can solve it out. Okay. So now this problem we'll see by using Y to delta conversion. Here it is given as each resistance is 10 ohm. So this is 10 ohm, this is 10 ohm, this is 10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm. All the resistance values are 10 ohm. And you have to use Y to delta conversion. So any one Y network we have to consider. Any one Y network in this circuit you had. Y network means from a T junction like that. So that 3 resistors will go. It's like a Y pattern. So now look at this. From this one I am going to take this in this junction. 3 resistors are meeting. So this is a point, this is a point, that is like a Y, like this. So it will come a Y like this. So I can take, say, these 3 nodes. Say I am taking A, say B, say C. Okay. So now we want to find R equivalent between these 2 resistors A and B, as I marked before. Now when I convert this Y network to delta network, delta will be CY network like this, and when you convert it to delta, the equivalent resistance when we are taking, it will be like corresponding to these 2 points you have a resistor, these 2 points you have a resistor, these 2 points you have a resistor. Already I have showed this in the previous class. So now between A and B, now these 2 will go off. Between A and B point we have one resistor like this. Similarly, these 2 will go off of delta. Between B and C we have a resistor. And these 2 resistors will go off. Between A and C point you have another resistor. So your circuit will be replacing like this. Now for a delta I am just representing it as RA. Say this is RB. Say this is RC. So when we replace this circuit, how it will become? So this is no change. Now here 10 ohm, here 10 ohm, this no change, this 10 ohm, no change, this 10 ohm, no change. Now these 3 resistors will go off, and that is replaced by between these 2 point A, B, and I marked as C like a delta network, and after that this 10 ohm resistor as such. This is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. So now between A, B and C we have RA, RB and RC. We have RA, RB and RC. So this will come as RA. Between B and C, this will come as RB. Between these 2, A and C, this will come as RC. Okay, so when you do like that, these 2 will become parallel. So now let us see what is the value of RA, RB and RC. So already the equation delta to Y conversion, RA is equal to already you studied it as, if this is a resistor you want to find R1, so you have R1 R2, R2 R3, R1 R3, that is the upper part, R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3 divided by see, look, this is the resistor RA you have to find. It's between 10 and 10. So you should write this 10 resistor. So this 10 ohm. Okay. So R1, R2 I can just replace by, so for example, what is this? This will be common for all the case. R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R1, R3. So it is all are 10. So it is 10 into 10 plus 10 into 10 plus 10 into 10. So that is 300. 100 plus 100 plus 100, you will get 300 ohm. All this together. So now your RA will be equal to 300 divided by 10. It is 30 ohm. What about RB? RB is this resistor. Again, it is RB is also same equation. So now I just mark this point as X. Say X is this. Okay, so now I'm going to write RB as X divided by same equation. So RB is equal to X divided by this two resistor. So it is RB is between this and this. So this resistor I have to write at the denominator. So it is 300 divided by 10 again. It is again 30 ohm. Similarly RC. RC is what? This. So it is between these two. So I should write this resistance. All are 10, then it will not make here difference. 300 divided by 10. So all are 30. So now this is 30 ohm. This is 30 ohm. This is 30 ohm. Now look at this. These two are connected in parallel. So 30 and 10 are connected in parallel. So how much will come? 30 comes parallel with the 10, that is 30 into 10 divided by 30 plus 10. 30 plus 10. So you will get it as 7.5 ohm. So you will be getting it as 7.5 ohm. I'm just writing here the 7.5 ohm parallel to this. I just replace these two resistors by a single resistor. My circuit will be like this, and you are asked to find the R equivalent between A and B. Alright, so now again it's in a condition that you cannot further solve this question. So again we will have, as our question, again we will have to go for a Y to delta conversion. A Y to delta conversion. Now, so any one Y network, you can see many Y network in the question. So take any one Y network. You can see, look at this. This is a point T network like that. It is meeting 3. Or this is a T network. It is again meeting 3 resistors here. So any one Y network you have to take, and then you have, so I'm going to take down this Y network. See, 1, 2, 3. So now between these two Y network, I'm just considering the point as A, this junction. Now one resistor, next resistor is meeting here, this one. So this one, now I'll write it as B. So this one, and then this one. So I'll mark it as a C. So A, B and C, 3 points. So now again a Y network, see, Y network like that. I'm just taking like this. This is a Y network, top part. Now this is the tail of the Y. So now I have to replace it with a delta. So when for replacing this delta, I have to join A and B node. I'll move these two resistors out. I'll join A and B of delta. So these two resistors will come as parallel. Say let it be RA. Now these two resistors A and C, I have to move it. These two resistors will go off. I have to move these two resistors. Say this as RB. Okay. So now between these two, so these two will go off, and between B and C point I have to change it by a resistor. Say this is RC. So now you have 3 resistors replacing. So now how your circuit will be? I just replace this one. I'm replacing these 3 Y network, this and this and this. I'm moving out this resistor and replaced with the delta network, and I'm redrawing that circuit. So I just removed this 30 ohm and the 7.5 and 10 ohm, and I replaced the circuit with the delta network. Circuit appears like this now. Only thing now you need to calculate RA. When you get RA, this and this are parallel. Calculate RB, these two will become parallel. Then calculate RC. So this many things now you have to do. Calculating RA, RB and RC. So now RA, when you want to calculate RA, You know that it's these three resistors. So it is, I'll mark it as X. X is what? It is the multiplication of R1, R2. So let it be 30 multiplied by 10 plus 10 multiplied by 7.5 plus 7.5 multiplied by 30. So 7.5 multiplied by 30. So you will be getting the answer as 600. So now you have RA. RA is X divided by, look at this, the RA is this. It is between A and B. So 1030, no, it will be 7.5. So X divided by, X is 600 divided by 7.5. You will be getting it as 80 ohm. Similarly, RB. RB is X divided by, RB is this, between A and C. So this 2, no, this resistor, 10. So X divided by 10, that means 600 divided by 10, it will be 60 ohm. Now next is R3. R3, sorry, not R3, RC. RC is X divided by, what is RC? RC is here. So these two no, the opposite, these two no, so the 30 ohm. So it will come as 20 ohm. So RA is 80, RB is 60, RC is 20 ohm. RC is 20 ohm. So now RA is 80, RB is 60, RC is 20. So now 10 and 80 parallel, 30 and 60 parallel. So after solving that, so we will see what's the answer. So now the 10 and 80 are parallel. So 10 parallel with 80. So it is 10 multiplied by 80 divided by 80 plus 10. 8.89 ohm. 8.89 ohm. So now next is 30 and 60 parallel. So 30 comes parallel with the 60. So you will get it as 30 into 60 divided by 30 plus 60. It's equal to 20 ohm. So now we need to replace the circuit with this equivalent resistors. These two equivalent resistors. So circuit now becomes like this. When now again you have to, again it is not possible directly to resolve, so you need to convert again Y to delta conversion. Now so look, this is a T junction. I just convert here. This is 1 point, this is 1 point, this is 1 point. Say mark it as A, B and C. So now I need to convert this to delta conversion. I have to convert this to delta conversion. So between A and B, this resistors come parallel. So this is a RA. So this will go off. Now between these two, you have a B and C. You have comes say RB. Between these two, between A and C, the resistor comes is say RC. So now you need to calculate the values of RA, RB, RC. So I'll just replace these three Y circuit by the Y network by delta network, and I'll draw the equivalent circuit. So this delta network value, so this is RA, so 10, 20 goes 20. So I'll first calculate the X value R1, R2, that is 800, R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R1, R3, 800. So when I get the corresponding delta RA, RB, RC in the same way like I calculated, I get 40, 80 and 40. Now we see that these two are comes parallel, these two are comes parallel. Now the whole network will come with that 40 ohm resistor. So on replacing, we will be getting it as, so that will get us 8 comes series, 16 will come, but come parallel with 40 ohm. So you will get it as our input as 11.43 again. The same answer we got by using delta to Y. So this is the case by using Y to delta. According to your convenience, you can use this.